Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to redeem your welcome trip. First, visit www.bzztrips.com. Great, you are now on Bzztrips homepage. From here, click on Redemption from the top menu bar. Now, click on Choose Your Welcome Trip. Read through the instruction. Scroll down and choose your desired package and click the button Book Now. Now you can see the selected package's details and terms and conditions. Go to My Account from the top menu bar and from there click Sign In. Now key in your username and password, then click Login. You will be redirected to the initial page. Select an option for occupancy and fill in your second traveler details, if you are coming accompanied. Then, click Add to Cart. Go to the top right corner and click Checkout. Click to enter the code from your voucher and finally, hit Apply Code. Double check your billing address details. Please read and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, click the Place Order button, and you will be done. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any queries, you may contact us at support@bzztrips.com. Have a great experience with Bzztrips.